Hi guys, my name is Niara. If you're new to my channel, hi. I showed you guys this hairstyle today. I'm so sorry guys for like being inconsistent. I know I said I would upload on Thursdays, but I have class Monday through Thursday, so it would be a lot better if you guys let me upload on Fridays. I don't know, just a thought, you know, like marinate on it. I showed you guys how to do this hairstyle because I've been getting a lot of questions on my top knot for a minute now. So this my hair. I've been struggling for like 30 minutes to get my camera set up. For some reason it doesn't want to stay, so if the video is lopsided, I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry. I'm trying. It's rough, okay? But I'm trying. So I'm gonna take you guys in the bathroom so that I can finish my hair. I say so a lot. So this is my scarf for my edges. I'm just gonna put that on. Then just gather the hair. Get my handy dandy eco, you dig? Eco boo! Put some of that. I try not to use too much eco though, because it dries your hair out. Like, I only put it at the roots because you don't really need it on the, like, anywhere else, to be honest. And you're gonna get your brush. Now, when it comes to this part, like right before the part, I comb it upward so that you can see the part. Okay, when all your bumps are out, you grip that bit till you feel your thoughts. Put it in a tight ponytail. Oh, jeez. I literally pull this around until I can't anymore. Like, that's how tight this needs to be. Period. You're not making that face while you try to get it through the last hoop. It's not good enough. All right, boom. Then I also tighten it like this. See how it like scrunched up a little bit right there? That won't matter, but I do that to make it flatter here because that's what's gonna show. So yeah, now to make the top knot, I'm gonna get out 2 rubber bands. I don't know if I'm gonna use both. Depends on how it looks. But when you want like a really high bun, that's when I use 2. Y'all know I like being extra. So now we're just gonna sloppily twist this and go like this. Period. Done. Period. That is unraveling. Roll it up. It's cute. Get a rubber band and just put it over the whole thing. Like this. And I put it toward the bottom because I usually do too. I guess that means I'm doing 2. So I'm gonna take the other one and I'm gonna put it about like here. Then you just slide, grab and slide. Now you got ice cream cone. I just even it out, make sure, you know, we all look like we're part of the same bun, nobody's sticking out. Like, we didn't even try that hard, so like, let's just pull it apart. So yeah, I try to pull some of my curls out. You see like that's coming out. Cause I don't know if you can see it, but my rubber bands kind of show a little bit. So I just like to mess it up. And we're gonna put gold anyway, cause it just makes everything better. Period. I use this edge control. I'm putting y'all on, and I use a little like travel size toothbrush. You feel me? Okay, so I brush them down first, always. I'm gonna just take as much as I can out of my thing. Whenever I do the little swirlies like this, you have to make sure your whole the whole edge basically is coated in edge control, so I kind of brush it out a little piece, and then I use my finger to help me to make it you see? Can you please, Alright, so whenever it sticks to my fingers like that, I get a comb and I just press her down, and it usually won't stick to that. But then I just clean up where the edges flow into the hairline. We want that to be seamless, like so. Yes, yes. Oh, look at that. Start from the bottom. Now we. So. Okay, y'all. These are my edges. I mean, we could take this out now. Your little... Because I love gold. I'm gonna put it in my hair. Because I love the color gold. It's my favorite color. Alright, so I'm just, I'm not even tying it, I'm just literally like crossing it over all up and down the bun. I try to make sure it's like evenish. When you get to the end of the string, this is what it looks like so far. My end is like, can you guys see that? This is the end of my string. So I'm gonna tie it in a knot. Ooh, wait, my arms burn. Let's take a moment to reflect. My arms burn. I'm just gonna cut the excess. I usually use like some fingernail clippers or something, because that way, like once you get it, can you guys see? Once you get it like in there, you can just slide the clipper down, and like you don't have to worry about cutting your hair off. I'm gonna get Diva Curls High Shine. I go ham. Like, I mean, when I want my hair to be bigger, I just take a little mini pick and lightly just like backcomb it. Like, oh yeah. Boom, boom, pow. To be honest, I want to put highlighter in my hair. Like, that's how I'm feeling today. I don't know why I always do this. Like, before I take it off, I always just like pat it in there. Like, please stay.
Drum roll, please.
Edges reveal. Why I started singing the family reunion music? What the hell? Alright, this is where we at. Alright. Swim. Bet. Oh, my camera dying. Why did you? Yo, I'm feeling rushed. I'm gonna take some trophy wipe and I'm gonna take my highlighting brush and just put that like in on the part of that has gel in it. I have to look in the mirror for this, I'm sorry, because I have to get it like centered or else the illusion is gone. And then now I'm just closing it. I mean, I didn't close it all the way, but I put the 2 rings right there. I'm gonna take you guys out there so you can see what the highlighter did, because I know you guys were probably like, you put highlighter in your hair, sis? But yes. It like glimmers. Oh, you see it? Ah. This is the outfit, you know, cute little. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I will see you next week for sure. On Thursday, unless you guys are feeling nice and want to give me some Friday. I mean, anyways, I'll see you guys on Thursday.